So you have three social media influencers, content creators, right? You have Lando, you have Ableboss, and you have Cuz. And so they are known for, like, you know, doing videos wearing different costumes and just going to different public places, putting on a show. And so this was no surprise when they decided to take to Emancipation Park to dance in full view of all the walkers by. But guess what? They decided to take it up a notch by wearing Pampers publicly. Watch.
Without latex, no. She knows that I'm not taken. At the barrel let us spin and a spit out shot. It a race and a flick out but girl skin out.
Okay, I mean, listen, come on. That takes guts. You know, that's bravery. Cause you could have done that to your yard, but for like literally at Emancipation Park. Well, then again, at the perfect place because they started them up there.